Hello people, this is what I got from here in the parcel, a videotape, and I'm going to try and unwrap that. Let me get access to that. There's something to show you. It's in there. Whoa! Whoa! So this one I've got there is the Gordy video. And this is from 1995. Let me get all the bubble wrap off. Whoa! There we are. So, here it is, the Gordy video from 1995. Oh wow, it's got wrapped in videotape. Whoa! It's quite a bit of a messy asshole video. Shit. Don't know how to get this right there. There we are. Finally, got to the videotape. So yes, we got it. Whee! There we go. Wow, we got the Gordy video. And that is the tape itself. And the print date. BV053. And it's the print date is February 95. The sticker's right there. And there we are. This is the video of Gordy. And this is just on the spine there. You've got the U standing for Universal and the genuine label on the cassette and the picture of Gordy. And that right there. Wow, look at all the spine there. This is wonderful. On the back there, all Ginny Sue and McAllister, the pig, and that. All great characters there. So that's the video of Gordy. Hope you enjoyed it. And this was the unboxing. And this is with the compliments of Paul Keylock. Put it right there. There we go. So that's the unboxing. Thank you very much.